Linux file system hierarchy. Okay. Where I need to change the settings. Okay, guys. What is this? Linux file system. Linux file system hierarchy. What is this, guys? This is a Linux file system hierarchy. Shit. Linux file system. Linux file system hierarchy. You guys understood, right? Yeah. So, yep, tell me, guys. So, what is the Linux file system hierarchy? Application? Why this Linux file system hierarchy? What is this? Sindhu?
Main user in Linux is known as root user sir, or
Mm,
super user. He has all the authority to access all files,
mm,
whereas uh, normal user can't go through all those
mm.
files.
What this is? This is the parent directory. Parent directory for all the directories. So parent directory for the all the directories. This is the Linux file system hierarchy. So what this is, whenever while installing the while installing the OS, a file system structure
Default
is, yeah, the default directories, the default directories are created. So while installing the OS, the default directories are created. So these are the directories. Every directory having their own purpose. So every directory having their own purpose. Right, we already discussed about, right? So when we install the OS, so there is a file system, there is a directory, a file system directory created. This directory having some there, so every directory having their own purpose. Every directory having their own purpose. What this is? This is a bin directory. Bin means. So what is
binary
bin?
binary directory sir.
So binary directory means
010.
bin is nothing but a binary directory. Binary directory it contains the commands. It contains the commands. Example pwd, ls, cd, mkdir. etc. The bin contains the bin contains the commands, and sbin contains the sbin also contains super binary. Super binary also contains super binary contains a commands, but the super binary commands will execute super binary contains commands. So commands, but these commands will execute only. These commands will execute only. These commands will execute only
By the
only.
root user, only by the root user.
Yeah, root user means super user. Super user. But a root user can execute both bin and sbin commands. Which user? Root user. Root user. Guys, be careful. Yeah. So what is the user? The user is root user. So root user is root user will execute both bin and sbin commands. But a normal user can execute only.
Binary commands.
Yes, very good. So which user? Normal user means Hari, something like Sindhu, Noor, or Yatish, or something like Maresh. So these all are the normal users. These users will execute only which commands, guys? Bin commands. But a root
Commands.
user can execute both
And sbin commands.
bin and sbin commands. What is the boot, guys? What is a boot? Boot contains the bootable information. Boot contains a bootable information. Information, right? So we power on the laptop, or we power on the laptop, right? So once we power on, so it will start the OS. So while starting the OS, we need some files. That files will be located under the slash boot directory. Slash boot directory. What is home directory, guys? A normal user home directory will be under the slash home. What is that, guys? A normal user slash home Hari, something like slash home Sindhu. So these all are the normal users. So normal users home directory will be under the slash home. So what is the root users home directory? Slash root is the root users home directory. What is that, guys? Slash root directory is the root users home directory. Root users home directory. Guys, understood? Yeah. So now you know na bin, has been, root to, boot to, home. So what is that temp? Temp is for, so we can copy the temporary files, right? Yeah. So what is this USR? The system related softwares will be installed under the system related softwares. What are those? The system related softwares will be installed under the slash system related softwares will be installed under the slash usr directory. Slash usr directory. So third party software, something like a Tomcat, right? For example, Tomcat is the third party software. Third party softwares will be installed under the which directory? OPT directory. What is that? Third party will be installed under the third-party softwares will be installed under the /opt directory. So what is that, guys? /opt directory. So what is etc? etc is nothing but all the configuration files. Will tell you guys what are the configuration files. All the configuration files will be located under the /etc /etc directory /etc directory, something like a var. So what is var? A var is nothing but the variable information, the var logs information. The logs information var, something like a log, var log. In that log there will be a logs, messages, sources log, something like sorry guys, cron log, everything will be under /etc. What is dev? What is dev, guys? Dev is nothing but a device information. What is that, guys? Device. Device is nothing but a hard disk information. What is that, guys? Hard disk information. So hard disk information will be located under the which directory, guys? /dev. What is this? SATA disk. These are the hard disk. Guys, understood? So this is the hard disk, right? So how many hard disks we have? How many?
4, sir.
Yeah. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Physical 1, physical 2, physical 3, physical 4. Right. What is the naming convention for this? What is the naming convention? So the naming convention is something like where exactly the
HPF.
information, where exactly information will be allocated? /dev, right? /dev. So what is this SATA disk? What is it? SATA disk. SATA disk A1 SDB1 /dev SDC. So SD was 1 SDB SDC1 /dev SD SDD. So this is SDC SDD1. So SDD1. Right now understood. So these all are the directories newly added and created the partition. The partition is something like a /dev SD SDD1. So something like these three are right. Three hard disks are there. These three are the three hard disks are located in the which directory, guys? /dev directory. /dev directory. Yes, understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Media and MNT. So what is MNT? The USB pen drives will be located under the USB pen drives. So will be located under the slash MNT media, something like a DVD drive or CD drive. So these drives are under the slash media. Slash media. Guys, now you understood Linux file system hierarchy? Guys, understood or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sindhu,
Sir. Yes, sir.
understood. Noor, now you understood?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I will show you the real time. Yeah, I'm starting the virtual machine. I'm removing this, delete, remove the delete. It started starting. Started. Yeah. So this is the Linux. So what is the username, guys? Root is the username. Why we are connecting root? Root user is created
Home
while
directory.
installing the OS. Right.
Home.
Yeah. I'm connecting this server via putty. I will tell you guys. 192.168.56.106. 108. 108. New session. Close the session. 192.168.56.108. Change settings. Appearance. Change. Bold. 18. Okay. Apply. I logged in as a root user. Red Hat. cat/etc. passwd. grep hyphen. Yeah. So Hari user is the normal user. So what is the DCD slash? Slash is the parent directory for all the directories. So what are the directories are there? Bin, boot, dev, etc, home, lib, lib64, media, mnt, opt, proc, root, sbin, sys, usr. These are all the terminals, guys. These are all the terminals. Now you understood? So when we installing the OS, a default file system, a default directory structure is created. The directory structure is we are following. This directory structure is we are following. Guys, got it?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
got
Got it. Right. I logged in as a which user?
root
Root
user.
user. Root user is a
Main
Super
user.
use.
root user is a super user. Root user can do anything. Root user can do anything. Right. What is the open source? So what is? Yeah. Guys understood, right? These all are the directories. I logged in as a root user. Now I want to log in as a normal user. I want to log in as a normal user. Hari is the user. Red Hat. I created the Hari user, guys. No worries. Okay. So this is a Hari user. So this is a root user. Root user can execute both bin and sbin command. cd bin. Yeah, these all are the commands. So we can execute by the root user as well as normal user. Normal user having certain limit of permissions, admin roles. So that's the reason we are not giving the entire access to the people. If they can, if they can, if they can something like a theft and give it to the some other person, right? That's the reason most of the companies are using the classes only. Okay. Understood, guys?
Yes, yes, sir.
Yep. So what is that second one? So this is the root user. What this is? This is a normal user. Normal user will execute ls command, pwd command, cd command, and mkdir command. So because of this is the normal user. Normal user will execute only the normal user commands. So both normal user and root user can execute both the commands. But the normal users can give only the parda. So only /home pwd. So what is the home directory for the normal user? /home is the home directory for the normal user. /home is the home directory for the normal user, and ls pwd are the bin commands. What is that commands, guys? Bin commands. Let's check it, guys. ls. You see what is that? ls command, pwd command. Yeah, this is the ls command, pwd. What is that? Yeah, this is the pwd, cd, mkdir. So these all are the commands, which commands executed by the root user and the normal user, right? So I am a normal user, but I executed the bin commands, right? Yeah, root user. Root user also will execute both the commands, bin and sbin commands. cd sbin sbin also contains the commands which executes. These commands will execute only root user. Root user having certain limit of permissions to do all the all the things, all the things. Okay. Now understood. These are the has-been commands. What is has-been commands? Fdisk. You check just fdisk. Will tell you later. Yeah. Wait. Yeah. So has-been command is fdisk is the has-been command. For example, yes. Okay. So I want to execute the has-been commands in the root user, and I want to execute the has-been commands in the normal user. Let's check it. cd root login as a root user. Fdisk -l. Okay. So fdisk hyphen f fdisk 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 /dow sdb r hyphen l /dow sdc 0, right? There is no partitions for the so lsblk. 1 second. LSBLK. Only how many we have? LSBLK. So we have these partitions only SDB and SDA and SGB. Okay. If you have, if the command will execute only on the fdisk/dev fdisk -l/dev sdb1 sdb1, there is no sdb2. sdb2 sdb, yeah, it executed, right? The command is executed. Let's try it in the normal user, right? cd enter cd pwd cd fdisk slash dev -l dev. Yeah, what it is showing? Permission denied. So we don't have a permission to access the sbin command as a normal user. Sbin command as a normal user. Understood, guys? Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes, sir.
Yeah. CD, oh, CD, LS, shit. CD, LS. Okay, no such file or directory. CD, CD, LS, right? Next CD, boot. Boot contains the bootable information. So VM lineage and the sim. So the init ramfs and VM lineage system name. Okay. So bin cd slash etc cd slash etc. So etc. So what it contains, guys? It contains the cd/etc. etc is the configuration files. All the configuration files will be located under the ctc.conf.cfg. All the configuration file information will be located under the /est/est. Okay. Next, cd media. cd media is nothing but a cd editor. Okay. cd/usr. cd/usr means system related softwares will be installed under the cd slash cd slash Ramesh cd. So system related softwares will be installed under the the system related softwares will be installed under the slash usr directory. Third party. What is that, guys? Third party softwares will be located under the third party softwares will be installed under the slash opt. What is that, guys? cd slash opt. opt. Guys, understood? System related softwares will be installed under the summary slash usr, and the third party softwares will be installed under the slash opt. Slash opt. Guys, now you understood? So
Yes.
where log messages, so temp is temporary VSR, home library, so ECT boot to root to and up to advanced, up to and bin commands. These all are the system related softwares will be installed under this Linux file system hierarchy. Now you understood, right, guys? The Dell Linux CLI part.
Sir.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So guys, we'll continue from tomorrow, guys. Okay. So we'll show you tomorrow how to install the OS and how to download it, how to install the OS. We'll show you tomorrow. Okay. Thank you, guys.
Okay.